Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today's video is going to be a Christmas nail video, and the nails that I have to put on for my first holiday nails are these nails, and they're called Gift for You, and they're so adorable. They have little deer antlers, Christmas trees, packages. So I will do a combination of all three of these nails today. And I believe I am going to have to trim these down. They do look like they're a bit long for me. So I do have my trimmers, and these are, this is a press-on manicure. So I don't have to use glue, but because of my experience with these newer impressed nails, I am going to use a drop of glue just to make sure that I don't lose them. But I have to tell you that I have had these nails on, and you can see they're already wearing down on the top. Either that or it's my own nails starting to show at the top. But I've had these on for 2 weeks. These were press-on nails. These were from Jilly's Nails, and these were the older impressed nails, and they did not budge one bit over the last 2 weeks. I didn't lose any of them, and I didn't add any glue to these. But again, these were the older nails, and I find that the newer nails don't stick as well. So because I want to keep these on for a couple of, as long as I can, maybe 10 days, I'm gonna add the glue. So yeah, let's get started on these nails. Now before I do, I wanted to show you the shirt that I'm wearing. This is a Christmas t-shirt that I actually created on my Cricut machine and my Easy Press. I just got the Easy Press for myself for Christmas, and I made a shirt that I bought at Walmart. This shirt was $6. It's just a t-shirt, a long sleeve t-shirt, and I created the design on my Cricut design space and pressed it on with my Easy Press, new Easy Press iron for the Cricut, and I absolutely love it. I love how it came out. I made one for my daughter and my daughter-in-law, the exact same shirts, so that we all have one. But I am going to be doing a video showing you how I made this. So that'll be in an upcoming video. So I hope that you will look for that and check that out. But anyway, let's get started on these nails. I'm going to take these nails off, give my nails a quick file to get them ready for a new set, and then I will glue them on, and then I will trim them down, and we will see how they come out. So let's get started. all done, clipped down to a reasonable length for me, filed. As I always say, these nails file so easily. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. These nails are gorgeous and ready for, I have my work Christmas party on Friday. So I am going to be all decked out with my Christmas nails. And I'm really excited about these. These are called, again, these are called Gift for You. These were new this season on Amazon or through the Impress website. I will definitely link them below. I will be doing at least one more holiday nail video this month of December, so stay tuned for that. And also I will be sharing with you how I created this festive shirt, 'Tis the Season. And yeah, I'm really loving it and enjoying it this season. So that is going to do it for this nail video this week. I hope that you will let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and if you like these nails. I definitely like these nails. I think that they are really pretty and really festive. So yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming along. If you're new here, I hope that you'll consider subscribing and coming on back. I hope your holidays are off to a great start. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.